a few, a little, and little. They are the 4 commonly used phrases by IELTS students. They also appear in reading passages quite often. However, not many students understand their meanings correctly and choose the wrong answer in the reading section. Let's have a look at an example question and see if you can find the right answer. Sample reading passage. Do the following statements agree with the explanation of the given paragraph? In boxes 1 to 4, write yes if the statement is true according to the passage. No if the statement does not agree to the passage. Not given if it is not possible to find enough information to decide the statement is true to the passage or not. There are different types of fats, unsaturated fats and saturated fats. What they have in common is the high kilojoules. However, they are not the same in many aspects. First, healthier fats which are essential to our diet is called unsaturated fats. These fats are categorized into omega-6 and omega-3. They lower the level of cholesterol in the blood and protect the heart. These healthier fats are often found in avocados, olive oils, margarines, nuts, and seeds. Fats in these foods bring more health benefits than saturated fats, which is not so healthy fats with almost no health benefits at all. Unlike unsaturated fats, saturated fats are not essential in our diet. Therefore, the less amount of saturated fats you take, the better it is for your health. Saturated fats are found in butter, cheese, sausages, biscuits, cakes, and pastries. Limiting and reducing your total fat intake, especially the amount of saturated fat, contribute to maintaining good health as well as having your body weight under control. Number 1. Avocados, olive oils, and seeds are a few examples of food that has unsaturated fats. Number 2. Unsaturated fats provide few health benefits. Number 3. Food such as biscuits, cakes, and pastries contain little saturated fats. Number 4. Moderating total fat intake is related to healthy body weight. Stop the video and think about the answers to these questions, and play this video again once you've finished. Here are the answers. Yes to number 1, no to number 2, no to number 3, and yes for number 4. Did you get all questions right? Then, let's find out how to understand and use these expressions correctly in the next step. I'm going to explain the rules and meanings of these 4 different phrases. First, let's take a look at the rule. Few and a few can only be followed by plural nouns, which also means the noun must be countable. So you can write or say, I have few eggs. I have a few eggs. Little and a little can only be followed by a noun-countable noun, thus in its singular form only. These are some examples. I have little water. I have a little water. Now, I guess you already know what word or phrase to put by looking at the noun that comes next, regardless of the meaning. Take a look at these examples. I have blank scarves. I have blank money. In example A, you can put either few or a few, as the noun is countable and in its plural form. In contrast, in example B, you can put either little or a little, as the following noun is uncountable. Now, let's have a look at the meanings. If you have a before few or little, that means the meaning is positive. They indicate there exists something or something is present. On the contrary, If you have few and little without a before them, they give a negative idea by telling you something is lacking, missing, or absent. Still can't understand clearly? Then look at these examples. Example 1. I have a few eggs in the fridge. I don't have to buy any more now. The first sentence means I still have eggs. It gives a positive idea. Because I still have a few eggs, I don't have to buy eggs now. Example 2. I'm thirsty, but fortunately, I have a little water in the backpack. In this sentence, I still have a little water which I can drink. This sentence gives a positive idea too. Example 3. I have few eggs. I have to buy some. In this sentence, you must interpret the first sentence negatively, as it says few, not a few. It gives a negative idea, meaning I have nearly no eggs. Therefore, I have to buy some. Example 4. I'm thirsty and I have little water left. I have to buy a bottle of water in a nearby convenience store. The word little gives a negative idea. I have little water means I have nearly no water. Therefore, I have to buy water to drink. As in these 4 examples, a few and a little indicate a positive idea, meaning something exists or is present. On the other hand, few and little indicate a negative idea, meaning something is lacking or absent. Fill out the blanks with either few, a few, little, or a little. Make sure you use few and a few for sentences with plural nouns and little and a little with sentences with non-countable singular nouns.